Welcome to this presentation on the Nebraska Property Tax Appeal for 2026. As a Nebraska property owner, you have the right to protest the assessed value of your property each year. Under Nebraska Revised Statute Section 77 to 1501, the official protest filing period runs from June 1st through June 30th annually. This 30-day window is your only opportunity to challenge your property valuation. As stated on revenue.nebraska.gov, property valuations are set as of January 1st each year. This presentation covers the protest timeline, valuation principles, grounds for appeal, evidence, hearings, and your action plan. The June 1st through June 30th protest period is the single most important deadline in the Nebraska property tax system. Section 77 to 1501 allows any taxpayer aggrieved by the valuation to file a protest with the County Board of Equalization during this window. The deadline is strictly enforced by all 93 county boards across the state. You must file your written protest during this window, or you lose your right to challenge the valuation for the entire tax year. File your protest even if you do not have all your evidence ready. You can submit supporting evidence before the hearing. Your written protest must include your name and address, a description of the property, the valuation you believe is correct, and the grounds for your protest. Understanding how Nebraska assesses property is essential to filing a successful protest. Section 77 to 202 requires all taxable property to be valued at its actual market value. The assessor uses three recognized valuation approaches. The market approach compares your property to recent sales of similar properties. The cost approach calculates replacement cost minus depreciation. The income approach capitalizes the net income your property generates. For agricultural land, Nebraska uses a special method under Section 77 to 5021 based on soil productivity. Your tax's assessed value divided by 100, multiplied by the mill levy. Reducing your assessed value directly reduces your tax bill. What grounds can you use to protest? First, value exceeds market price, which requires comparable sales as evidence. Second, unequal valuation, if comparable properties are assessed at a lower percentage of market value. Third, property record errors such as incorrect square footage or wrong bedroom count. Visit the county assessor's office and review your property record card. Fourth, the assessor may have used the wrong valuation method. Your evidence is the foundation of your protest. The burden of proof is on you, the property owner. Collect 3 to 5 comparable sales from your area using nebraskataxfinder.org. Take photographs of any defects or condition issues. For large overassessments, consider a professional appraisal costing $400 to $700. A well-organized evidence package significantly increases your chance of success. The County Board of Equalization is the first appeal level. Under Section 77 to 1502, the board meets beginning the first Monday in June to hear protests. You do not need an attorney. The hearing is informal and takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Present your evidence clearly. The board may uphold, reduce, or increase the valuation. Increases are rare. If denied, you can appeal to TURC within 30 days under Section 77 to 5007. If the county board denies your protest, you have more options. Appeal to the Nebraska Tax Equalization and Review Commission, known as TURC, under Section 77 to 5007. You have 30 days from the board's written decision to file. TERC reviews the case from scratch. The filing fee is $25 to $50. You may represent yourself or hire an attorney. If you disagree with TURC, appeal to the Nebraska Court of Appeals under Section 77 to 5019 within 30 days. A successful protest applies to the current tax year only, but can influence future valuations. Beyond protesting, Nebraska offers tax relief programs. The homestead exemption under Section 77 3501 through 77 3533 helps seniors, disabled persons, veterans, and low-income households. Apply at your county assessor's office by May 1st. The property tax credit under Section 77 to 5201 gives up to $1,200 refundable credit. File Form PTC with your state return. Agricultural land uses a productivity-based formula under Section 77 to 5021 that can result in lower valuations. Here is your action plan for 2026. Step 1. Review your valuation notice when it arrives in spring. Step 2. Gather evidence before June 1st using nebraskataxfinder.org. Step 3. File your written protest between June 1st and June 30th. Step 4. Attend your county board hearing and present your evidence. The Nebraska Department of Revenue at revenue.nebraska.gov provides forms and guidance. This is your call to action. The June 1st through June 30th window is your only annual opportunity to challenge your valuation. File your protest with the County Board of Equalization. Visit revenue.nebraska.gov, nebraskataxpayer.org, and nebraskataxfinder.org for resources. The window opens June 1st, 2026. Be ready. Your property, your taxes, your voice. Thank you for watching.